In this video, I'll guide you through how to create an unsubscribe filter in Klaviyo. This is a useful skill to have, especially if you're managing large email lists and want to maintain a clean and effective communication strategy with your audience. So let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Klaviyo platform and look at the left sidebar menu. Here, you'll find the option labeled Audience. Clicking on this will expand a menu where you'll see lists and segments. Go ahead and select that. This section is essentially the hub for managing your email lists and organizing your contacts efficiently. It's where you can create new lists or segments based on specific criteria, which is exactly what we're going to do today. Once you're in the Lists and Segments section, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a button that says Create List Segment. Click on that, and you'll be given the option to choose between creating a list or a segment. Since we want to filter out unsubscribed contacts, we'll be creating a segment. Segments are dynamic groups of contacts that update automatically based on conditions you set, making them perfect for this task. Now, it's time to name your segment. It's always a good idea to choose a name that's clear and descriptive so you can easily identify it later. Something like Global Unsubscribes or Suppressed Profiles works well. It's straightforward and gives you a clear idea of what the segment represents at a glance. Next, you're going to set up the conditions for this segment. You'll see an option that says what someone has done or not done. Click on the drop-down menu next to it. From the list of metrics that appears, select Unsubscribed from Email. This metric ensures that the segment will capture all contacts who have opted out of your email communications. After selecting the Unsubscribed from Email metric, you'll need to set the frequency. For our purposes, it's best to set this to at least once over all time. This setting ensures that anyone who has ever unsubscribed from your emails at any point in the past will be included in this segment. It's a comprehensive approach that makes sure no unsubscribed contact slips through the cracks. And there you have it. You've successfully created an unsubscribe filter in Klaviyo. This segment will automatically update, keeping your email lists clean and ensuring that you're only reaching out to engaged subscribers. Regularly maintaining your email list in this way not only helps improve your email deliverability, but also enhances the overall effectiveness of your email marketing campaigns. If you ever need to modify this segment or create additional segments for other purposes, you can easily do so by following these same steps. Understanding how to manage your audience effectively in Klaviyo can greatly benefit your marketing efforts, making sure your messages are always reaching the right people. I hope you found this guide helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy emailing!